All right, so this is box number 7 of my bulk buy. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Doreen. I am unboxing the bulk buys that I got from district.net, David's Deals with 5 S's on the end. So I've been opening the boxes that I got from him. So I'm going to open this one up. So there's the inside. There's that. And that is, I don't know if you can see that. That's it in there. It's pretty dark. Let's see what we've got. I have a knife. Let me cut it. Yes, and Doreen should not play with sharp objects. Ooh, we got a box. And a bangle. Looks like these might have fallen out. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these earrings. Hold on, I need 2 hands here. And then that. It's broken. Huh. Okay, well, let's see if the piece is in here. Oh, that's a gift set. I don't remember. Stainless steel back. Probably needs a new battery. So there's those. Don't see any marking on that. This back in here. And this is a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Oh boy, yeah, that's a whole lot of stuff. Earrings. A little bit of everything. Red dress, some earrings. I don't even know. Guessing a watch of some kind. But so there's that. Okay, well, I guess we'll go through and figure it out. There's a pair of earrings at least.